It's a great morning for us here at ICS, where we have over 200 members of board or commission secretariats, as well as some board members, discussing various aspects as to how to make the boards and the secretariats more efficient and more effective. We started off this morning by discussing board and team dynamics and how to build positive and healthy dynamics that enable us to achieve our objectives and our outcomes as organizations and as boards. And first and foremost, we had to come to an agreement, an alignment of what it means to have healthy dynamics and what contributes to it. So we agreed that we have to have a shared purpose as between ourselves in the Secretariat, but also with the boards which we serve, in terms of what outcomes we want to see, what is the measure of success for us, because having a shared purpose enables us then to bring about the right climate to constructively challenge each other, the right skills, both professional skills, but also collective skills of emotional intelligence, of mental readiness, of diplomacy in how we carry out our work. How to build a trust environment within our secretariats and with the board, because we have to remember that we are on the same team. We are identified as one team, not as separate teams. There is no us and there is no them when it comes to the secretariat and to the board. And so even as we have discussed these various aspects, we have also talked about how then do we manage difficult conversations so that we can bring out the best solutions. How do we understand one another, our personalities, our work style preferences, so that we can all bring the best, because at the end of the day, no one person holds all knowledge. We have to work together in the best way that we can. And finally, we agreed as secretariats and as the boards that we will bring on board sufficient knowledge about not only our centers of expertise, but also around good corporate governance, because at the end of the day, our aligned vision is to meet the objectives of having a well-governed institution. And then we also have to have the right information. The Secretariat has to bring together the right information from management, package it well. And boards also have to learn not to just take one source of knowledge, but to diversify their sources of information in order to deliver appropriate and robust rigor in decision making. Then also to understand the power that each has. The Secretariat has power, the management team has power, the board has power. How do they use that power appropriately in order to deliver the outcomes they are looking for? Then also just to consider that we must give sufficient time to the work that we are doing as board members and members of the Secretariat. No rushed jobs, but also to remain adaptable, to remain agile, and keep up with the trends that are coming up, both in governance and how work is done, so that we can deliver the best for our organization. So indeed, it has been a great morning for us today at ICS.